an era of AI in Zenith Technologies. Our anniversary special. In December 2023, Zenith Technologies started AI Series IP Camera to revolutionize CCTV industry. Face detection, face comparison, electronic fencing, line cross detection, off-duty detection, passenger flow statistics. Now in January 2025, after selling more than 12,000 units, we are extending AI compatibility to vehicles. Introducing vehicle detection and license plate reading cameras to our AI series. Watch the video till end. Now we will see recorded video playback footages. Here you can see the number plate is very clear. This is night vision of our AI camera, and you can see the clarity of numbers. Now we will see the playback through AI search option. The camera has captured all the passing vehicles on the road. Switch to AI.